Hello, I've had some questions. Unit 3, lesson number 4, um, number 14. So this is the last question in the homework, and it's a good question. So it says, for what value of the constant c is the function continuous for every number? So what we want to do is we want to create a continuous function, which that means that this one is going to create the first function because it's just less than 2. We'll have an open dot. So an open dot. This one is greater than or equal to, so that means we want a closed dot. So therefore, we want the closed dot and open dot to overlap. All right, so just as for example, we want one function. So the first one I know is linear. All right, so let's say it looks like this. It's a positive slope. So that has an open dot that comes there. The next one is a quadratic, opening up. I want it solid dot to fall right there and continue like that. So that's what we want. That's just for example, okay? So how do we do that? Well, that means algebraically at x equals 2, y1 has to equal y2. It's the only way this will work, okay? That the two functions are equal at x equal 2. So therefore, x plus c equals cx squared plus 1. And you're going to say, well, we have too many unknowns. Well, that's not quite true because we know what the x value is going to be. So if x equals 2, we have 2 plus c equals c 2 squared plus 1. So now it drops down to one unknown, and they're both powers of 1, so we will just be able to use our grade 9 algebra skills here to solve. So subtract c from both sides and save ourselves a step. Subtract 1 from both sides. I have 1 equals 3c, or c equals 1/3. All right. So therefore, to be continuous, our line has to equal, above here, x plus 1/3 for x less than 2, and 1/3 x squared plus 1 for x greater than or equal to 2. So that would be the answer to make sure that our function is in fact continuous. All right. So again, the graph, I just provided a graph to help with my explanation as to what we're looking for. We're looking for that overlap. And there is your algebra. If you have any questions or you want any further clarification, let me know.